Hello, I'm Ken, and I own the Congaree Milling Company. And today I'm going to show you how to cook stone ground grits. I'm going to use the Congaree Milling Company's own coarse yellow grits. They're available at thecongareemillingcompany.com. However, the instructions I'm going to give you today should work for any stone ground grits. So to cook stone ground grits on your stovetop, what you're going to need is 3 cups of water, or stock, or cream, or a mixture of any of those things works well. We've got 1 cup of stone ground grits, we've got 1 teaspoon of salt, and we've got 1 tablespoon of butter. As far as equipment you'll need a pot with a heavy bottom. This allows the grits to cook evenly and keeps them from scorching. You need a tea strainer, and you need a whisk or a wooden spoon. Lately I've been preferring the whisk myself. It seems to work best. The first step of cooking your grits is you're going to add the 3 cups of water to your heavy bottom pot. And we're going to go ahead and turn the heat onto high. Next, we're going to stir our grits into our 3 cups of liquid. Be careful so you don't burn yourself on a gas stove if you have high flames and high temperatures. This is where your tea strainer comes in. You're going to use it to skim the particles that are floating on top of the water in your pot of grits here. You skim those off and it actually makes a better pot of grits. At this point, you're going to stir the grits until they reach a boil. Good time to put in your salt. So cook the grits uncovered, stirring every 3 to 5 minutes, making sure that you don't cook them at too high a heat and scorch them, and that the grits are bubbling slowly. Stone ground grits can take anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour to cook. You'll know your grits are done when they're soft. If your grits tighten up or get thick before they're soft, just add a little bit of liquid to thin out the mixture. This is also a good time to add cream or milk or stock. All right, when your grits are soft, they're ready to finish up. Now's the time you add your butter. At this point in time, if you want cheese grits, now's a great time to add as much cheese as you like. One note, when preparing your grits to go with other dishes, say perhaps something like shrimp and grits, go ahead and start your stone ground grits first, the very first thing that you prepare for the meal, because they'll hold nicely on the stovetop, especially if you cover them. And if they do cool off a little bit, it's not very hard to warm them back up. If they tighten up a lot, you can add just a little bit of liquid and loosen them up. Now your grits are ready to serve. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you're interested in any of the other products I make or any of the other things that I do, follow me on Facebook at the Congaree Milling Company or on Instagram at Congaree Milling. Thank you.